Hi there. So, welcome to Midway, Utah. Yes, Midway, Utah is located just about 20 minutes south of Park City, Utah. And today I am here touring one of the Park City area showcase of homes. And I'm excited to take you on a tour of this. Midway just has such a fun small town charm. They have, the parade here every year with Swiss days. It is known for Swiss days. It is known for a lot of, again, just small town charm. So today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of one of the homes. I'm going to be walking you through some of this. This is built by Superior Custom Homes. This home is offered at right around $5 million and its square footage is 7,053. It's got 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 2 half baths, and has got a 3-car garage. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you love best after we take a tour of this home. And if you are thinking about making a move out here to the Park City area, the Heber Valley, specifically Midway, my team and I help people like you all the time. So feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we would love to chat and see how we can best help you out. Okay, let's head on in. Awesome. So what did you think about that beautiful home built by Superior Custom Homes? Again, located here in Midway, Utah, which is located about 20 minutes south of Park City, Utah. Again, if you are thinking about making a move out here to the Heber Valley, out to Park City, my team and I help people like you all the time, and we absolutely love it. So feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'd love to chat and see how we can help you out. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.